A lot of app icons start as a cropped logo, a rushed canvas square, or a flat AI image that looks fine until it hits the App Store. Today, I am using SVG Genie as an app icon generator. Describe the app, generate a crisp, editable SVG icon, then export from one clean master instead of fighting pixels. The problem with app icons is that they have to do everything at once. They need to be readable at tiny sizes, memorable on a home screen, sharp in marketing screenshots, and flexible enough for iOS, Android, web apps, launchers, and social profiles. A random PNG is a weak starting point. SVG Genie gives you a better starting file. It turns a plain text prompt into real vector artwork made from paths, fills, and shapes. For app icons, that means you can generate the concept fast, keep the SVG editable, and export the sizes you need later. That SVG master matters? An app icon needs crisp edges, controlled color, a strong silhouette, and clean geometry. With vector artwork, you can scale up, simplify details, adjust colors, and create platform exports without degrading the source. The YouTube results for App Icon Generator are split between AI, demos, Apple's Icon Composer, Canva tutorials, and older App Store workflows. Useful, but most of them start after the core art already exists. SVG Genie helps create the icon artwork first. Here is the workflow. I will type habit tracker app icon, calm checkmark leaf, rounded square friendly silhouette, bold flat colors, clean editable SVG. The prompt describes the product, the mood, and the icon constraints in one line. A few seconds later, I have app icon directions that are already vector-based. The shapes are simple, the mark is readable, and the result can be inspected and refined. I can generate more options or choose the strongest concept and polish it. Tiny-sized readability is the real test. App icons are seen in search results, settings screens, notifications, dock slots, tabs, and home screen grids. Starting with a simple SVG lets you remove small details before they'll turn into visual noise. You can also steer the icon style fast. Flat color for a modern mobile app. Line art for a lightweight utility. Engraving for a premium feel. Linocut for a handmade brand. Circuit style for developer tools. Same product idea, different market position. Iteration is where this beats a blank canvas. Ask for a stronger silhouette, fewer details, higher contrast, a bolder symbol, a softer palette, or a clearer metaphor. You're exploring app icon directions before spending time on final export prep. After generation, the file stays editable. Change the background color, simplify a path, remove a decorative element, make a dark mode version, or tune the shape for your brand. Open the SVG in Figma, Illustrator, Inkscape, or Code and keep working. Compare that with cropping your logo into a square. A logo often has too much detail and the wrong proportions for an icon. A purpose-built app icon SVG can be simpler, bolder, and easier to adapt across every size. Use the SVG master for iOS, Android, macOS, progressive web apps, browser favicons, settings screens, landing pages, press kits, social avatars, and App Store asset. One clean icon concept can become the whole visual system around the app. Developers get a practical bonus too. Because the source is SVG, you can inline it, recolor pieces with CSS, animate the mark for onboarding, or keep it in the repo as the master asset. It is not just a picture of an icon. It is structured artwork. When the icon looks right, download SVG for the editable master, PNG for previews and platform exports, or PDF for documents and print. Keep the SVG as the source of truth, then generate every required size from that clean vector. You can try SVG Genie free with no credit card required. After that, credit packs start at $9 with no subscription to cancel. For founders and indie developers, that is a fast way to get from app idea to a real icon direction. So stop shipping a cropped logo as your app icon. Go to svggenie.com, try the app icon generator workflow, and create a crisp, editable SVG icon you can scale, tune, export, and ship. Make the icon once. Use it everywhere.